Ever wondered how the future of manufacturing and prototyping might look like in a world of continuous technological advancement? It's a fascinating field, one that's evolving rapidly as we speak, and it's all thanks to the intriguing world of 3D printing. Today, the manufacturing and prototyping industry is at a crossroads. Traditional methods that have been in use for decades, sometimes centuries, are now being challenged. These methods, while reliable, are often slow, expensive, and limited in their capabilities. Creating a prototype, for instance, can take weeks, if not months, and the costs can run into thousands or even millions of dollars. But what if there was a way to speed up this process, to make it more cost-effective and flexible? What if we could create complex prototypes in just a few hours, or customize products to the exact specifications of the consumer, all at a fraction of the current cost? Well, the good news is we can, and it's all thanks to a revolutionary technology known as 3D printing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing as it's also known, is a game changer. It's a technology that builds objects layer by layer from the bottom up, using digital 3D models. This innovative approach allows for rapid prototyping, where a concept can go from design to physical model in just a few hours. It also enables customization on a scale never before seen, as each product can be tailored to the specific needs of the consumer, and it doesn't stop there. The complexity of designs that can be achieved with 3D printing is mind-boggling, and the potential for sustainability is immense. Imagine a world where waste is minimized because we only produce what we need when we need it, and where products can be made from recycled materials, reducing our impact on the planet. As we dive deeper into the world of 3D printing, let's explore how this technology is shaping the future of manufacturing and prototyping. Imagine being able to create a custom medical implant in a matter of hours. Sounds impossible? Not with rapid prototyping. Welcome to the world of rapid prototyping, where the impossible becomes possible. This technology, which has taken the manufacturing industry by storm, is particularly transformative in the field of medicine. Rapid prototyping is a group of techniques used to quickly fabricate a scale model of a physical part or assembly using three-dimensional computer-aided design data. Simply put, it's a way to make your designs come to life quickly and accurately. So, how does this translate to the medical field? Let's take a look at a company that is using this technology to revolutionize the way we approach medical implants. Biomed Solutions, a pioneer in the medical technology industry, has been using 3D printing, a form of rapid prototyping, to create custom medical implants. These aren't your run-of-the-mill, one-size-fits-all implants. Each one is tailored to the individual patient's anatomy, making for a better fit and ultimately a better outcome. The process begins with a detailed scan of the patient's body part where the implant will be placed. This scan is then used to create a three-dimensional model of the implant. The model is sent to the 3D printer, which lays down layer upon layer of biocompatible material until the implant is formed. The result, a perfectly fitted medical implant, ready in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. This is just one example of the power of rapid prototyping. It's a game changer, not just in the medical field, but across a range of industries. It's faster, more efficient, and allows for a level of customization that was previously unimaginable. With rapid prototyping, the production of complex and customized medical implants has been made faster and more efficient. And that's just the beginning. As the technology continues to evolve, who knows what we'll be able to create next? Who wouldn't like a pair of shoes designed specifically for their feet? With 3D printing, this level of customization is now possible. Imagine the luxury of slipping your feet into a pair of shoes that fits as though it was created by a master artisan, tailored to the unique contours of your feet. Well, hold on to your laces, because this is no longer a far-fetched dream, but an attainable reality, thanks to the marvels of 3D printing. In the realm of manufacturing, 3D printing is changing the game, offering a level of customization that was once thought impossible. And this isn't just about shoes that fit better. It's about shoes that perform better, reducing injury and enhancing overall comfort. Let's take a walk through the case of a forward-thinking footwear company that has embraced this innovation. By utilizing 3D printing technology, this company has managed to create a personalized footwear experience that is revolutionizing the industry. Customers start by scanning their feet using a smartphone app. This scan captures every curve, arch, and idiosyncrasy of the foot, creating a digital blueprint that is as unique as a fingerprint. This data is then fed into a 3D printer, which meticulously constructs the shoe layer by layer with precision down to the millimeter. The result? A shoe that is not just a shoe, but a perfect extension of the wearer's foot. But it doesn't stop there. With the design data saved, customers can easily reorder their perfect fit or tweak the design for different types of shoes, from running shoes to high heels. This is just one example of how 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing landscape, bringing the tailor-made experience of yesteryears into the modern age. It's not just about creating products anymore, it's about creating experiences tailored to the individual needs and preferences of each customer. With 3D printing, customization is no longer a luxury but a standard in manufacturing. How can we manufacture complex structures while being sustainable and innovative? This question is at the heart of today's discussion. It is a question that 3D printing is answering in a rather fascinating way. Imagine you're an architect tasked with creating a structure that is not only intricate and visually appealing, but also sustainable. Traditionally, this would mean hours of meticulous planning, massive waste production, and perhaps a few sleepless nights. But with 3D printing, the game changes completely. Take the case of an architectural firm that's making waves with its innovative use of 3D printing. They're able to craft complex structures with a level of precision that leaves little room for error and even less for waste. The result? Less material consumption, reduced carbon footprint, and a more sustainable approach to architectural design. But it's not just about reducing waste. It's also about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With 3D printing, architects can now experiment with complex geometries and unconventional materials that were once deemed impractical, if not impossible. This freedom to innovate has led to the creation of structures that are as functional as they are breathtaking. And this is just one example. From aerospace engineering to fashion design, the ability of 3D printing to handle complexity is revolutionizing numerous industries. It's enabling professionals to design and manufacture products that are not only intricate, but also more efficient and environmentally friendly. Moreover, 3D printing is also fostering a culture of innovation. It's encouraging creators to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and to come up with solutions that are not only creative, but also sustainable. So when we talk about 3D printing, we're not just talking about a new way of making things, we're talking about a paradigm shift that's reshaping our understanding of manufacturing and design. 3D printing is not only revolutionizing how we create complex structures, but is also driving sustainability and innovation in the manufacturing industry. And as we continue to explore its potential, who knows what remarkable innovations we'll witness in the years to come. So how is 3D printing revolutionizing manufacturing and prototyping? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. We've seen how 3D printing is accelerating the process of prototyping, giving us the power to create complex models in a fraction of the time it used to take. This rapid prototyping has been a game changer in industries like healthcare, where the ability to quickly create and test medical implants can have a profound impact on patients' lives. Then there's customization. 3D printing is breaking down the barriers of mass production, allowing for personalized products tailored to individual needs and preferences. The world of footwear, for instance, is being transformed with shoes designed to fit the unique contours of each person's foot. We've also delved into the complexities of 3D printing. Despite the challenges, this technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing, enabling us to build structures that were once thought to be impossible. Sustainability is another key aspect of 3D printing. By minimizing waste and maximizing resource efficiency, 3D printing is paving the way for a more sustainable future. It's a technology that doesn't just change how we make things, but also how we think about the materials we use and the impact we have on our planet. And finally, we've explored how 3D printing is driving innovation. It's a technology that invites us to rethink our approach to design and manufacturing, opening up new possibilities and inspiring fresh ideas. So, to answer our initial question, 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing and prototyping by making it faster, more customizable, and more sustainable. It's pushing us to rethink our approaches, explore new possibilities, and continue to innovate. With 3D printing, the future of manufacturing and prototyping is not just a concept, but a reality that is being realized today.